All right, this is the WORKPRO 32mm and 36mm fan clutch wrench set with a water pump pulley holder. The company sent me this product so I could check it out and make video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely in this packaging, and inside the box we were going to get this durable feeling 2-compartment bag. There's a little strap handle on here. It's foldable, as you can see, and each wrench stays in its own section so that everything stays organized. Inside the bag, you're going to get the 32mm fan clutch wrench and the 36mm fan clutch wrench on one, and the water pump pulley holder. Both of these wrenches are just under 15 inches long. This one weighs almost 12 ounces, and the wrench weighs 1 pound, 1 ounce, just so you know. They're made from heavy-duty carbon steel with a finish that helps resist rust and corrosion. The wrenches have extended length, about 15 inches, for better leverage, and the handles are ergonomic with a non-slip grip, so they feel solid in your hand and they don't flex too much when you're putting real force on them. The 32 and 36mm wrenches are designed to fit the large nut on the end of the fan clutch itself. The pulley holder locks the water pump pulley in place so that the whole job becomes a one-person operation. You just bolt the holder onto the pulley using the existing pulley bolts. Put either the 32 or the 36mm wrench on that big fan clutch nut and break it loose. You know, you're not going to have to fight it by yourself or need a second set of hands. The longer reach really helps in tight engine compartments where regular tools just don't have the access. There you go. Nice looking tools. A kit like this would be great for doing your own DIY automotive work. You can check and see that this is the right size that fits your car. I know it works with some BMWs, Fords, GMs, Dodge, Chevy, Jeep, and a bunch of other vehicles. You're just going to have to make sure that this one fits your car. But there you go. Very nice.